You will love the features of this 2019 Honda Civic. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. You'll fall in love with the Civic sedan, the practical compact that delivers smooth, responsive, powerful performance, advanced safety technology, refined looks, and industry-leading efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: backup camera, engine immobilizer, refined yet aggressive, efficient yet powerful. That's the Honda Civic sedan. All it needs is you.